I am a horse, so I'm more of an open event.
No, dude. Please don't reveal yourself on stage.
I should leave something up to the imagination.
10,000 V-Bucks if you reveal yourself while walking.
Give me all the chords, because I'm
10,000 V-Bucks, dude. Do it.
Who even knows if I pass my classes, guys?
Imagine the clouds.
But you know we're here.
They're looking at my grades because
No, I don't know what. Now you're here.
We out here. I feel like I just got a $50,000 chain with all my cords. Graduation today. I'm only a few minutes late, so I'm pretty excited. They told us to get here 45 minutes early, so I'm still like 40 minutes early. But yeah, gonna see if I can find anybody who also has my fellows sash on. There's only 12 of us graduating, so that'll be a interesting endeavor. And there's only 3 that are in my college that I could actually sit with, so. Graduated with high honors. That's what I came in with. Had essentially the same GPA after my first semester as I did during my last one, so that was cool. Alright, here we go. Wow, there's a lot of people. I don't know why I didn't expect that. My man Tony, what's up, man?
The fellows,
good. I know. I'm hype. I'm looking for Christina. Everything.
Oh
yeah,
God,
how'd you know? Police gonna have to stop me now. Again. Christina, it's not gonna fall off. I saw someone wearing it like on the back of their head.
So crooked.
I thought you were doing that for style.
No, it will not say.
Alright, we're all hopping on Yik Yak, right? During the whole ceremony.
Who was on your I'm so dumb. Oh my
So I was talking to Brian. Brian's like, I'm like, Brian, what are you gonna wear? He's like, honestly, like slides and gym shorts. I'm like, alright. Dude, this shit is. Oh shit, that boy broke this shit. Alright, let's try that again, folks.
I'm gonna lose. Let's give another go around.
Have another whirl at this one, right? Here we go. Load her in.
Sorry, sir.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
There we are.
This will not stay on. Stupid, like, oh, I don't care.
My sash fell off twice.
Yeah, no, I'm seriously like.
Yeah, what is the group? What do we got going on here?
What are they gonna do? Expel me?
It's a program, right? They can
We're not. Yeah, like.
My dad's like, get your diploma first, they can still kick you out. I'm like, I don't think that's how it works.
Yeah, no.
Honestly, we're not even getting our
Right, no.
Yeah, no. Yeah.
It'd be funny if it's just a piece of notebook paper, like,
It
rolled up.
probably is. It's probably like you're an idiot.
With the rubber
like,
band.
justice.
Like, there's a hold on your account. $2.50. Please see advisor. Dollar a cup. Dollar a cup.
Yeah, beautiful.
Dude, I would lose my mind.
We just broke in. Dude, his socks are the real MVP, though. I'm good. There's no body. Oh, whoa. She was on that.
Oh my god.
Does he not have on pants?
No, look at his socks, though. Those are the real MVP of the day.
I know. Whoa.
The gown's not that long. Yeah, it's like on and ones and like blue hot socks.
Oh yeah, should be Big Ice Guy.
Big eyes.
I'm gonna laugh and they're like, now there's actually a hold on your account for stealing the water.
We saw you.
$2,000.
Wait, should we try that stink out?
Get a quick
Give it a
wash.
whirl. There's a dumbass rubber hose attached to it.
Oh God, we're moving. Oh, we're going.
Oh, whoa.
Apparently we're graduating.
Apparently. Oh, grab the Aquafina.
Oh, so I thought I dropped something important.
She's also an angel.
Everyone with the cups, please report to the principal's office.
Super sad.
Super sad.
Is there people watching right now?
Wait, what'd you say?
Let's go. Oh.
My dad gave me your number earlier.
Oh, I did record. Whoops. Even when I don't think I am, I am.
He told me 210. 210. Where's that? Where's 210?
Everybody's waving.
Okay.
Just wave at a random family.
Love you.
The one time I actually tried to FaceTime at me.
Oh my gosh! Oh man, so 64 had some significance to it. We went to the Elite Eight apparently that year.
Well, that's dream. It's a, like,
See? I'm telling you, I'm gonna poop myself. It's gonna happen. I had a dream last night that I literally pooped myself during graduation. And Christina said it's okay, nobody will notice.
I'm here. That's 1964.
And then somebody shouted out, because I was hiding in the bathroom, the longest time anyone's ever hid in the bathroom was in 1964. It's happening. If it happens, I tried, thanks. To poop myself, I mean.
University Senate.
Somehow an open seat next to me.
And our 2018 commencement speaker, student speaker, Miss Lily Bradley. I would also like to acknowledge some special guests who are seated to my left in the lower balcony. My wife, Rivi, is with us this morning. Thank you for sharing this special day with our 2018 commencement.
Tell him I'm recording him texting you. Tell him look up and wave at us so I can get it then. Oh,
he's pairing up.
yeah, they both did devil horns.
Find the people in the life that doubt you and hold on to their memory. Treat them with kindness, and when you make it, remember the ones who were so certain that you couldn't. You can do anything that you set your mind to. I believe in you. Work hard, be nice, and do the right thing. Cheers, you guys. Empty mega mug cheers to the memories made.
Scripps College, are you ready?
Michael Dennis Master.
Yeah, he's going.
Nolan C. Jackson Daniel.
Oh, there he is. Coming on the right-hand side, I think.
Hannah May Bridger.
Yeah, to the right.
Taylor Brannon. Maria Nicole Gailey. Hannah Elizabeth Paris. Allison Noel Hayes. Emma Elise Griffith.
So the dean that I've known for my entire college career, he was on the other side, so I switched lines at the last second. And then the person reading my name was actually the woman who introduced me to him, which was really cool. So it was like perfect double. Gave me a hug and she gave me a little handshake. So that was cool.